Hello and welcome to the Old World Garage channel.
Hi guys, it's Elvis back again with this Fiat X1. Yeah, I have been not filming for quite a while because it's really a lot of stuff going on here. I'm just going to show you yeah, with what I ended with. You can see here now the gearbox removed, and well, the clutch slave cylinder was leaking anyway. I changed the clutch. I got now rid of this sealing ring, yeah, of the back of the crankshaft to the flywheel, and yeah, also remove the oil pan. It was really sluggish. I had to remove and clean a lot of dirt, like this was completely slugged up. Yeah, now I'm starting to put everything back together. I also ordered a new stainless exhaust. We can see here all the parts. Now the new clutch, a new sealing ring, here the oil pan cleared, here the gearbox, going to clean that everything up again, replacing some bushes over here on the gearbox mount. Maybe I need to change also some suspension mounts. The starter has come new at some point, and yeah, I'm going to get rid of this exhaust, replace with a stainless steel one made yeah, and Italy. And here again I get some brake parts that still need to go into the car. Well, that's it. Also almost forgot to replace the thermostat inside here, because I thought, well, it's so hard to get to from above and from underneath. You have completed the gearbox and in the middle of it, so it's a quite sensible thing to do, to replace the thermostat. I also ordered Petronix pointless ignition. We have here the distributor already marked it to get out. I'm waiting for these parts, and I think on that one, on the replacement of the points, I'm going to do a separate video, because I think it's something easy and very interesting, yeah, to just get your peace of mind when driving these elderly cars. The easy part now, I mounted back the oil pan, cleaned up and removed all the slug inside, and yeah, installed the flywheel. But I think we can move on now. I'm going to install back again the transmission box, the gearbox. I had to adapt the mount where you when you attach the slave cylinder for the clutch, because it had a completely reversed bolt pattern. I don't know why. Let me see if I can just quickly show you, because the parts are still here. You can see here, yeah, I think this is the best way to show. Here is where you attach the spring to pull the fork back, and you can see, if I install it this way, the bolt pattern is completely different. Don't ask me why, but I have to drill new holes and just spot weld some nuts from the underside. I'm going to show you real quick. I was not planning to do this video, but it just happens that I'm in the workshop. I've got some spare time. This part come here. Oops, this way with two bolts here, and you can see I have like now two bolt patterns where I just can screw this on. The hose comes here, and somewhere is the screw, you know, so the fork is pulled back. After you release the clutch pedal, I also installed a new clutch throw bearing, and this is going to go back in the car. I just have a slightly concern. I have to seal here. I do the drive shafts on both sides of the differential. I hope I get that right and clean, so it doesn't leak any gear oil. Already screw loose the ball to fill up the gear oil. I got that some vintage oil there, 90 viscosity. I was reading a little bit in the forums, and they said, yeah, use that oil, GL3, don't use anything else. Yeah, and I think you should listen to people that have experience with this car, so I'm not going to do any experiments, and hope that oil will work. I'm using a synthetic oil for the engine, where I think, yeah, if doing a big trip with a 4-speed on the highway, it makes sense to really get a good quality synthetic oil where yeah, it can be heat up, and it has no problem like, you know, bad mineral oils. Well, that's it for now.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on the Old World Garage channel.